I'm Tom Cheswick, and I'm the Executive Director of the Arizona PPA. I'm also a portrait photographer and mostly photograph business professionals and high school seniors. But enough about me, let's talk about the Arizona PPA. We're a fun group of photographers that want to learn, grow, and develop our skills. We provide numerous educational opportunities for our members, including monthly seminars, image critiques, mentoring, fun social meetups, and intensive hands-on workshops. Visit us at ArizonaPPA.com for more information, and please know that your first monthly meeting is free. I look forward to meeting you in person.